my hope is that the people in this audience and audiences like find ways that we can tear down these barriers. We have a shared fraternity, a diversity that reaches beyond language, beyond culture, beyond borders with each other, no matter where we are, no matter what we think, no matter where we started, no matter what we have.
Reclaiming your sovereignty of controlling your assets, controlling your data.
It's more than just a conference, it's an IRL movement.
It's exciting to see this movement continue growing, advancing this mission.
There are things that are appealing to everybody, and that doesn't mean we hate the popular, but it does mean we respect the difference. We embrace it and we nurture it so that we can have new things, that we can have better things, without losing our appreciation for the things that we inherit.